HTG CEO log, Saturday, May 4th, 2024, with the fam at Acadia National Park on Sand Beach. As we go around here, we're getting ready to go hike the Beehive trails, and well, we'll see what happens. So just wanted to check in, let everybody know where I'm at. Okay, about halfway up Beehive Trail. That's where we started, way down there at the beach. Yeah, I should have started or kept doing this a long time ago and never stopped. I might just be a little old for this, but I'm doing it anyways. Up a little higher. We got to go up there. I forgot to show you that a minute ago. See them people up there? Maybe not, little specks, but we're going up there. We want to get the view. Alrighty then. Oh, look at that view. Just getting better, higher we go. All right, back to it. There we go, next level up. So, just keeps getting better. Yep, just came across that right there. Woohoo! And when you said switch the camera, you meant I could flip it around to the other side. Yeah. Like, with a, this is the view is just stunning. It's just fucking spectacular. And see the top of that other hill over there, or mountain, whatever you want to call it. Woohoo!
Can you see us?
Forward. It goes away. See? And that just takes a picture. So this is an Android, not an iPhone. So I might be lacking some capabilities.
Not. I've just always assumed.
Oh, look at all that. Just beautiful.
A video down here.
Handholds for us old guys. Look at that on the trail. I'm going to turn it over to Robert to be the cameraman while I go up. Here we go. Oh, see, that just made it easy. Just too easy. You want to?
No, keep going.
You want me to go? How are you going to hand it to
me? Keep
going.
So
you can come up. Okay. Oh my, this is freaky. All right. All right. Next phase. That last set was, wow. I would have never made it if they hadn't put those handholds on there. Whew. This is unreal. Especially for a person that's afraid of heights and hasn't done this for over 30 years. Wow. Okay. We're getting ready to go up the next set. Stairs. That's Robert 2.0 up there. He just went up. I forgot to hit record. So now it's my turn. Taking a minute break. Catching up to the people in front of us. Heart rate was hitting about 130. Yeah, I have to sit down. That way I don't feel like I'm, gonna fall off that right there and bounce my way down like a cartoon. But anyways, just a short break. Oh, look at that. Not yet to the top. Still going up this here. Woo! I don't like it. I don't like it none at all. I have to clean my britches when I get to the top. Woo-hoo! There's where it came up. There's where we're going around this wall here. Okay. Near the top. Look at that view. This is my last stop before getting to the top. Just fantastic. Every next level, better view. Finally at the top. HTG King, CEO. Everything the light touches is my domain. So, fantastic. Heart rate's about 140. Wind feels like it's just gonna blow me right off the edge. Oxygen levels obviously reduced. top. Beehive summit. We made it. Now we're on the other side. Starting to look out over. We haven't seen this view yet. Right on over to Cadillac. Somewhere back there. This is supposed to be the second hardest trail. I'm glad I didn't start with, what's the other one named?
Precipice.
Precipice. So, and that's on Cadillac?
I think it's over there.
Okay. Well,
I think Cadillac's back there. Because there's too many trees up there.
need to do this one about 3 times a week for a season to be ready to do the other one.